Hello! So as it is Pride Month, of course I'm going to do a rainbow makeup look today, but I have seen a lot of tie-dye going around recently. 2020 has been the trend for isolation, quarantine, DIY, so baking your own bread, making your own pasta, tie-dyeing your own clothes. So with that being said, I am going to rainbow tie-dye my face, but not literally like with paint. Let's just do it. Okay, so to begin, I think I'm going to just put a white base all over my face, just to make the colour stand out a little bit more. So in order to achieve that tie-dye texture, I'm going to use more like fluffier, less dense brushes to kind of get that wispy texture. So I'm going to start off with a yellow, and I think I'm going to attempt to do a spiral, and I think I'm going to start Let's just see how it goes. I don't want the brush too wet, sort of like almost dry, to get that wispy texture. Now I'm going to use green and a different brush. Now blue and a different brush. And now purple with the... You guys get the point. Okay, so to finish off the tie-dye, I'm going to use some white, and I'm just going to put it on some areas to highlight. Also, if you look at a tie-dye pattern as well, there's sort of gaps in between where the ink didn't go to, so I'm going to try and do that. Okay, I'm going to stop before I get carried away. I think I'm just going to add a little bit of white spatter, because sometimes there's like... I just like white spatter. Okay, to finish this look, I'm gonna spray my hair white to try and make this makeup pop even more.